Hi guys, my name is Danny Morris and this is my AEP 873 introduction, and I would love for you guys to know a little bit more about me. I am studying my undergrad at the University of Kansas at KU. I'm a big Jayhawk fan. I actually only graduated about 2.5 years ago. I have been teaching for a year and a half. I am a kindergarten teacher in the Blue Valley School District up in Overland Park, Kansas. I teach at Overland Trail Elementary School, and I'm so lucky because I have found my home there. I've found great friends and a diverse community within such a great district. I graduated from my undergrad with my ESOL endorsement, and my goal was always to teach in primary, but I'm very much open to the grades in elementary that I might teach here and within the future. I'm not sure where my path is going to take me yet. Like I said, I live in Overland Park, Kansas. I live by myself with my 2 dogs, and I'm very independent right now at this stage of my life. And if you can see down there, they're like my kids. I grew up in McPherson, Kansas. Up there above, you can see we call it the heart of the United States. It's right smack dab in the middle. It's a very small town, but I'm thankful for how I grew up. I'm very close to my family. I have 2 older sisters who both have families of their own, and I'm close with both my parents. And luckily, it's only a 3.5 hour drive to see them. Part of the year they live in Arizona, and I get to travel out there a lot too, which is just amazing to get to escape to the warm weather every once in a while. My passions: I love TV, I love music, I love movies. My work is actually my passion right now as well. And I love the Chiefs and the Jayhawks, so I'm a big sports fan too. My friends are a big part of my world as well, so being able to hang out with them and do a bunch of extra stuff after school is a lot of fun. And education is a big part of that too. So right now, just working on bettering myself and doing as much as I can while I'm independent. So as far as technology goes, I have always loved technology. As soon as I got my hands on it, that was something that I started working with right away. Actually, when I started off at KU, my original degree was graphic design, which is kind of off of a whim because I always knew I wanted to be a teacher. But I got really involved in the yearbook and different computer courses within high school that got me motivated towards that, which brings me here. I knew I wanted to be a teacher. And when I saw that there was a master's program that included technology, I knew that I was in. I knew that that was going to be something that I was going to do. So currently in my classroom, we are very lucky this year to be an innovative spaces school, which means that we got a lot of technology and got training over the summer for some new things that we have. I have an iPad and a laptop of my own, as well as a smartboard and an Apple TV. I also got iPads for the class, just 5 of them this year. But we have iPad carts that we can check out, and a couple laptops and touchscreen computers within my classroom. We use those every day. I wish I used them more throughout all different parts of the curriculum, which is what I'm trying to figure out. I think being a new teacher and having just so many things to learn, I know that it's going to take me a while to get in there, but I do the best that I can. For technology, my goals are, like I said, to try to incorporate a little bit more and familiarize myself with the tools and resources that there are out there. I do use Google all the time. I use Google Drive to communicate with my team and my schoolmates, and actually our district has started using it a lot more. I've used Google Communities. I use Google Docs to do my assignments. I did through college as well, my undergrad, and even in high school too. So I'm really excited to get to learn much more about it. And for this class, being certified in Google by the end of the year is something that I think is going to be so awesome. And I can share the wealth with my colleagues and my friends and try to figure out a way to apply some of this technology to kindergarten, because I know a lot of you out there are probably secondary teachers or even upper elementary teachers. So as a kindergarten teacher, it's a little bit more challenging because your children aren't as independent yet. And I know that being able to figure that out for myself is going to be a really great way to learn and better myself as a teacher. So With that all being said, I hope you all have a great semester, and I look forward to working with you.